Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm actually on MSP, and I just asked Dad to make video clips because he said something so nice. Hey, by the way, I subscribed to your channel. I really. Hey, by the way, I subscribed to your channel. I really hope it grow up so fast. By the way, and Dr. Bettercam, I guess you make a movie and then record it with Bettercam. Nah, I don't want to. I want to do like this coloring game and stuff. So, yeah. Ah. I have to like zoom them out a little because they're a little too big. How do you get rid of them? Okay then, clip art. Cow. It's a cow. Looks really cool. Okay, I'm gonna put my MSP character. Load your own image, yeah. Put my own image, okay? Yes, we got my thingy in here. So there we go. Make sure they're about the same size. One. Yeah. Wait. That looks cool. Subscribe. Okay. Save. Just stay with YouTube. Okay, well, I'll go to my YouTube. Oh, I have 6 subscribers. Oh, yeah. Back here, I don't want. 2008. It's a good idea. Okay, well, anyways, guys, I just want, like, autograph May. Like, does this look cool? Does this look cute? What if it's, like, see? Sketch pad? Instead of doing a call that, because I actually wanted this. Yeah, where am I going to put this in there? Woo! Yeah, it is kind of big. Okay. Oh, yeah. I saved it, right? Yeah, I should have. Oopsies, if I didn't. I gotta go back to Google. I just like select that, you know, it's just, I have nothing to put it with. It doesn't go with that. No, I'll just keep it like that. Oh, anyways, guys, Mailtime, send gifts. 2 out of 50. So guys, I'm just gonna do like a freaking Mailtime. I'll just do Mailtime this video, basically. Oh yeah. Okay guys, well, go friend me, this is my user, go friend me, guys, like, go friend me, girl, go friend me, okay, well, oh boy, like, go friend me and then message me and tell me that you're from my YouTube channel, and please make sure to subscribe and like this video if you liked it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and send gifts for Mailtime and then you'll be in my video. And make sure to tell everyone about me, and if I get 100 subscribers, I'm gonna be giving, okay, so it's not 100. If I ever get to like 10K, if I ever get to 10K subscribers and 50 gifts, and also level 12 by 2020, then I'll give everyone my account. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna give my account away, not 2000. Like August, I'll give it away on my sister's birthday, August 17th. And yeah, just by August 17th, 2018, if I hit that goal, no, it's gonna be 1K, okay? If I hit that goal, I'm probably gonna hit the gifts, but anyways, if I hit that goal, then I will give my biggest fan, my biggest supporter, my biggest fan, like, anything they want from my account. And yeah, and that subscriber will have, be in one of my movies. I'll make a notebook about them, telling them to, like, you know, just stuff they want to say, and I'll give them the receipt, maybe. I'm still saving up, guys, and please give me and like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys!